Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Software Testing Concept in Agile Era. So today we will discuss about verification and validation. So let's start. So verifications. As you can see in the image, this is a kind of checklist where you actually verify whatever your requirement, it is meeting your requirement or not while just checking it, right? So let's see the definition of verification. So the definition is verification is the checklist or evaluating the items or software against predefined requirements. Means there should be some predefined requirement, and your basically in verification you just cross check your predefined requirement with the available items, right? In software, in terms of software, as or as per the design document, like whatever it is mentioned in the requirement document, it is defined or it is basically implemented as per that or not. So you are just cross checking it, right? You are not actually executing it, but you are just cross checking. So this is known as the verifications. This is also known as the static testing. Static testing, you are not executing anything, you are just verifying it, or you are just cross checking it, right? So if somebody asks you to define in a single line, so this is the best line, like for the verification, are we building the system right? So this is basically the single line definition of the verification, right? So let's discuss about the validation. Validation is nothing but to actually execute and validate the things, whatever the implemented and whatever you got as a product. This is as per the means it is meeting the requirement or not, right? So this is called the validations. As in image you can see there are 3 steps to basically validate it. So as per the image, if there is some steps is there, it means there is some procedure. So let's see the definition of validations. So validation is a process of checking that what has been implemented actually user wants the same or not. So what is the meaning of actually user wants the same or not? It is means whatever you have implemented or whatever you have got, it is as per the end user expectation or not. So basically, so I think it is clear, little bit clear about validation, right? So this is kind of dynamic testing where actually you validate the things, right? You execute something to validate the software, like it is as per the requirement or not. But just opposite of validation is the verification, where there is no need to execute anything, so you are just cross checking, like whatever is there, it is as per the requirement or not. So single line definition of the validation will be, are we building the right system? Okay, so I hope it will be clear after seeing this example. So suppose you basically you are going to buy a pair of shoes, right? You are looking for 9 number shoes. You went into a shop and you asked shopkeeper, please show me the 9 number shoes. So he has given, basically the shopkeeper has given you a pair of shoes of 9 number. So here there are suppose there are 2 steps you are basically taking there. So what you did, just open the shoes box and you are just checking like the 9 number label is there on both shoes or not, right? Means on the pair of shoes or not. So what you saw the 9 number label is there, means you are just verified. So your requirement was 9 number shoes, and what you just saw, 9 number, the pair of 9 number shoes, right? So verification is done and it is passed, right? But when you are going to basically when you are going to check it, so what you observe, one leg shoe is the size is correct, but second leg shoes the size was small. Although the label was 9, but actually the shoes was 7 number shoes. So basically you were validating and you observe like one leg shoes is not the correct size, right? So means your validation got failed. So I hope it is very clear, right? The verification and validation. So if I will go in more detail and if I wanted to give you example from the testing perspective, So I would say the example of verification will be a checklist or creating a traceability matrix, right? Where you need not to execute anything to evaluate it, but you are just comparing two things to evaluate the something, right? To creating a checklist or to creating a traceability matrix is the example of verification. Validation example would be the execution of test cases, where you actually execute the test cases after entering some input and you are just comparing the output. That is called the validation. So about means in detail about the verification, or you can say the statics testing or validation, or you can say the dynamic testing, we will discuss in detail in our upcoming in my upcoming video. So I would request to please subscribe so that you can get the latest content. Thank you for your time to watch this video.